I've been using the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth having in your wallet in 2025. This card offers a flat 1.5% cash back on every purchase, with no rotating categories or spending limits, which makes it a solid choice for anyone who wants a simple, predictable reward structure. There's no annual fee, and the cash back you earn can be automatically deposited into your Bank of America checking, savings, or Merrill investment accounts. For preferred rewards members, the rewards rate gets even better. You could earn up to 2.62% cash back depending on your tier, which is one of the highest rates available on a no annual fee card. Now, let's talk about what's not so great. While the 1.5% flat rate is decent, it's pretty average in today's market unless you qualify for those preferred rewards tiers, which require you to keep a fairly high balance with Bank of America or Merrill. Also, there's a 3% foreign transaction fee, so this card isn't ideal for international travel. The welcome bonus is competitive but not extraordinary. It's usually a $200 cash reward after meeting a modest spending requirement in the first 90 days. Some users have also noted that Bank of America's rewards interface can be a bit clunky, especially when redeeming or managing your earnings through the mobile app. In summary, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards card is a straightforward, no annual fee option that's best for existing Bank of America or Merrill customers who can maximize the preferred rewards program. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, especially for domestic, everyday spending. If this review helped you out, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.